NEMT is a set of software tools enabling electronic musicians and DJs in different locations to co-produce events, performing synchronously across the internet. NEMT streams bidirectionally and synchronously uncompressed audio, MIDI, analog control signals, and clocks using peer-to-peer connections. The novelty is in the semi-automatic techniques to cope with the network latency. The tools accommodate different use cases and work with any software hardware system. Using NEMT, a group of performers playing in sync with sequence analog modular synthesizers, digital synthesizers, and drum machines can be distributed in 2 geographical locations. Control signals are time-tagged and rescheduled at the receiver to cope with latency and jitter of the network. Since we adopt a master-slave playing approach, at the slave node, performer can also play instruments manually. Back-to-back DJ set requires tight synchronization, and today this is not possible over the internet due to the high mutual latency. Instead, NEMT dynamically shifts the impact of the latency across the 2 ends, depending on who is actively mixing. The latency shifting is transparent to the listeners as we use beat-synchronized buffers. Other applications include production scenario, where one can host in a DAW a hardware synthesizer located in a different geographical location. NEMT allows electronic musicians in isolation to play together and eventually webcast their performance. With NEMT, we can reduce the environmental impact of the music industry, and we can have the same band playing in 2 physical venues at the same time. Since the listening experience will be perfect on both sides, the audience can be located at each location, or the event can be webcasted using third-party applications.